Shreya madam, we are going live.
Yes, sir.
We are going live in 1 minute.
Bhavin sir, are you ready?
Yeah, go for it. Yeah.
Please begin.
So whenever
Okay, fine.
when you just give me a count.
All right. Sure, sure. A very good morning to all the ladies and gentlemen. It's an honor and privilege for me to introduce our guest for the day, Mr. Bhavin Shah. Bhavin Shah is the founder and chief mentor of I Am Possible Training Solutions, which has recently featured under India's top 10 training company 2017 by Silicon India. He's an internationally certified corporate trainer of India, certified by American TESOL. He's recently recognized as India's youngest, most successful CEO in training industry 2017. By education, Mr. Bhavin Shah is MBA Marketing Gold Medalist. He is also awarded as Best Corporate Motivational Trainer by Gujarat's Honorable CM, Shri Vijaybhai Rupani. He is Gujarat's most sought after corporate motivational speaker as per Google and most booked international more than 450 premium corporate clients. He's also an author of Achieve What You Want. His book is with an award-winning content. So I hand over the charge of the session to you, sir, and I warmly welcome you to Pearl University.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Shreyaji, for the wonderful introduction. And I am 100% sure that very good morning, everyone. And today's session is very amazing because you can see the topic called the multi-millionaire entrepreneur. And thank you so much, first of all, for Pearl University, especially the Institute of Commerce, for inviting Faculty of Commerce specifically for inviting me. And today's topic is the multi-millionaire entrepreneur. And I am 100% sure that the people who are seeing us through Facebook Live and through the other platform, there is a one important question here, that the person who is sitting in front of you that having an age of 30, and how he can talk about being a multi-millionaire entrepreneur. So let me give you the idea behind this concept, that I have started my journey when I was 17-year-old. And when I was, just between the 12th, I was just finishing my 12th and I was just about to start my engineering. Between that vacation time, I was looking for something through which I can make my life much better, much purposeful, and you can say a much directional life. And that's how I found lots of new things at my age of 17. And through that, currently it has been 13 plus years, and currently I have completed my 30 age 30 at 1st June. And in that 13 years I have achieved lots of things. Few of the things I already mentioned by Shreyaji. And but trust me, in this 1 hour of conversation, I will be sharing you that how I have achieved something in my life in this 13 years, by lots of techniques, lots of tools, lots of concepts, and how I have reached to the 80 plus countries, how I became the youngest, most successful CEO in training industry, right, in India in 2017, how I became the multimillionaire, how I have purchased my BMW at the age of 30 and became the only person who is owning BMW worth rupees 62 lakh rupees, BMW GT sports model at the age of 30, how I became that person who has achieved so many things at the very young age. So today's program is very much amazing, guys. Reason is very much simple. I was yesterday watching one movie called Invictus. आपको पता होगा कि this movie is all about Nelson Mandela, the great president that any country have. Once again, like India, South Africa was also fortunate to have the Nelson Mandela. How he had challenged himself to lead the country, and how he had managed himself to lead the whole nation, to lead the whole country to the world level. That was the movie is all about, Invictus. And what I have understood, that if you really want to grow in your life, the most important thing, I liked one line from that movie is, you need to be the captain of your soul. And that is most important thing, you need to be the captain of your soul. And that line really touched me. So let's start today's program by being the captain of our soul, that how to become the multi-millionaire entrepreneur. Once again, thank you so much, Parul University Faculty of Commerce, all the management team members and the core team members who had put the lots of efforts to arrange this wonderful program. Now, disclaimer: if you are watching this program, if you are seeing this program, please make sure that you are watching this program with the proper posture, with the proper body language, because your smile decides what you will get today. Your body language will decide what you will get today. Your body movement, your body postures, your gestures, your facial expressions will decide what you are going to achieve in your life, because nobody has achieved anything in life by the average efforts, but everybody has achieved something in their life with the great energy. So please make sure that you sit with the proper posture, you sit with a great energy, and let's enjoy today's program. Next, the most important thing, you make sure that if you have any questions in your mind, you please make sure that you ask the questions. You can put your question on comment box, so we can try our best to give our answers, right? So before we start, I would like to ask you one question. See, I never like to have the one-sided session. I always like to have the interactive session. At the one side, I have my Facebook live on my mobile. I have opened it. So please make sure that you comment something if you're watching this program. What was that one incident which has changed your life and direction? I'll share you my incident, my life, my direction, how it happened, how I came to this, to far to this, to this journey. But I want you to guys ask to yourself first of all, that which was that one incident which has changed your life and direction. Can you think and can you give me the answer? Please try to give an answer in 3 lines or a 4 5 line. 3 lines, not 3 lines, but 3 words, max to max 1 to 2 lines. Can you please try to give your answer? Which was that incident which has changed your life and direction, both the things? Yes, I am able to see this Facebook live. Whatever you think, so that you can give me the answer, it's perfectly fine for me. Come on, guys, try to give me the answer if it is possible, or I'm just giving you few. Okay, let me go to the side of this. Just a second, guys. I am just reading your comments. Allow me for the same. Okay. Okay. So the viewers who are viewing me, who are seeing me on Facebook live, see, I am able to see on my Facebook screen. I have asked you one simple question, that which was that one incident which has changed your life. Okay, so before people are coming to these live, uh, okay, let's give the chance to the audience to reply. Before somebody is coming to this platform and replying, let me give you my background behind this. When I was 17-year-old, I was attending one same kind of program like you. There was one guy from Air Force. He came from Delhi. He was the youngest successful Indian Air Force guy. I was so much inspired from his speech. So he came to our place for the motivational program. Most of the youth were there, and he asked me one question. Not me, but I was taking this session as he's just addressing me. He has asked me one question, that what was that one thing? What was that one thing through which? What was that one thing through which you will be getting remembered till at least next 100 years? He asked me this question. What was that one thing, or what will be that one thing through which you will be getting remembered till at least next 100 years? And this question has really changed my mindset. When I was 17-year-old, I started taking my life very much seriously. That question has changed my life. But the second, when he has asked me to give the answer, I was not able to answer. The reason was very simple, that I was having stammering issue from my born. Till the age of 17, I was having heavy stammering issue. And after finishing that program, that guy called me for the personal interaction. I just told him, sir, I have tried a lot. I have visited lots of doctors, but I am not able to improve in terms of my stammering skill. I am not able to overcome that. He told me one thing very much clearly, that Bhavin, most of the problem lies here, not here. If you really want to solve something in your life, start working here, not here. If you work here, everything will be solved in your body. And I started observing the things. I have seen lots of people who were paralyzed. They just got up by working in the mental strength. I have seen lots of people who went to the coma and somehow they have revived just because of the mental strength. That's how doctor replied, that he is mentally so strong, nobody can beat him. I have seen lots of people fighting in their life just by one thing, that is called working on mental strength. And that one incident which has really given me the boost, and I started working. I have, today's topic is amazing, called multimillionaire entrepreneur, how to be multimillionaire entrepreneur. So before giving you some advice, I am just giving you my little bit background. At this age of 17, I have decided to start my business parallelly to my engineering college. At the age of 17, I have decided to start my business. That was tours and travelism. I went to one company. I thought of taking one franchise. When I have approached my parents, when I approached my family member, they have given me the one wonderful answer called, no, you cannot do that. You are just 17-year-old. How you can do the business? I was pretty much sure that if nobody will support me, I'll do it alone. And that was the mindset I have developed, because I wanted to do something in my life. I never wanted to live my life very averagely. And that is how I have borrowed few money from my friends. I was having few saving at the age of 17. Pocket money, I was having the pocket money every month. So I was saving money from it. And I was having pretty good amount of, few thousands, where it was easy to start a business at that time. And when I was 17-year-old, that was just a needle of investment of few thousands. So that's how I borrowed money from my friends, and I have started getting the things. I started working on that. I have started approaching people because of my stammering issue. Stammering matlab haklana. The people who is not knowing what is stammering issue. Stammering matlab haklana. I was having this stammering issue, and when I started approaching people for the domestic tour, for the national, international flights, tours, lots of packages we were selling through the company, but people were not getting convinced through my speech. Reason being, I was having stammering issue, but I was pretty much sure that I'll do something great in my life. I had 350 rejections in my first 6 months. My earning was in minus, not even in zero. Because lots of expenses you need to do, right? Lots of traveling you need to do. My earning was in minus. And still, I was sure that I will do something great in my life. 350 big rejections I had when I was 17-year-old. But at that time, one miracle happened. जो मेरा टेप खराब था ना, it has been improved. जो मेरा टेप खराब था, वो अच्छा हो गया. And that's how I got this spark that अगर ये ठीक हो गया, now this is also fine. Now let's, in 6 months, I have improved 80%. Still there was a 20% stammering issue. After having the 350 rejections, after speaking so much, I have improved my communication skill. I have improved my public speaking skill. I have improved my presentation skills. And that's how I have started growing. After 6 months, I have approached all the people who has rejected me. And I was able to crack more than 100 tours and travelism packages with the same guy, 350%. Because in India, especially in Gujarat, every year we are traveling somewhere in another state or the country with the family. That is how our culture has been developed. So I was sure that every year they're traveling somewhere, I will get one chance to prove myself. And that's how that company was seeing my performance from the day one, and they have seen that in next 6 months I have sold out more than 500 tours and travelism packages. And the company got shocked, and what they did is they made me the Gujarat head of the particular brand, and they have invited me to join the board of management. within 4.5 years. Let me cut the full story in a very short span. 4.5 years, I was with that company. I was handling 45,000 people in 140 plus countries. That time I was talking about when there was no WhatsApp, there was no proper internet speed. The speed was only 10 kbps, 20 kbps, and at that time I was handling 45,000 people in 140 countries. Having an age of 20 and half, I was in 8th semester of my college, and I have purchased my first car. That was Maruti Suzuki Swift Desire, worth rupees 7.5 lakh rupees, white color VDI car. And that was my first big achievement as a youngster. 20 and half, I started earning 1 lakh rupees per week. I was earning 4 lakh rupees per month when I was 20 and half year old. And I started becoming the multimillionaire when I was 20 and half year old. I'm not talking about getting success in terms of only money. I'm talking about getting success in terms of having lots of happiness, having a good brand value in the market, having the good team with you, having the respect from your team members and from your parents, the proud that I'm talking about. That's how I became the multi-millionaire, not in terms of money, but in terms of so many things. And this incident had changed my life like anything, direction like anything. So the people who are seeing me, I want to ask you one very simple question: that know your phase and challenge your potential. It is important to understand and accepting the weakness that you are having, and it is important to start challenging yourself, challenging your potential. If you can see my WhatsApp status, I have put that WhatsApp status before 3 years back, I think so. The status: you are always more capable than you know. I never say that this is what my level is. I always try to be more beyond best than that. You are always more capable than you know. But if you have seen the movie called Dear Zindagi, Shah Rukh Khan said that. आइंस्टाइन ने कहा है, वो इंसान दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा पागल इंसान है जो हर रोज सेम एफर्ट्स लगाता है फिर भी डिफरेंट रिजल्ट्स की एक्सपेक्टेशन रखता है. वो इंसान दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा पागल इंसान है जो हर रोज सेम एफर्ट्स लगाता है फिर भी डिफरेंट रिजल्ट्स की एक्सपेक्टेशन रखता है. Guys, you need to understand that if you really want to challenge your potential, you need to put more efforts to get the better results. As simple as that. And I started putting more efforts, and I founded a company called I Am Possible Training Solutions. Shreya ji already mentioned so many things. Right now we are having 450 plus premium corporate clients. We have trained 5 lakh plus people with 1700 plus big corporate or a general motivational program. Lots of corporate clients I am having, right? I'm a CEO and founder of I Am Possible, and recently got award from Shiv Vijay Rupani as Gujarat's best corporate motivational trainer. And I'm author of a book called Achieve What You Want. You can see that. And lots of proud moments with Gyan Hussain Swami, with ex-mayor of Vadodara, Shri Bharat Bhai Dangar, with Sauji Bhai Dhulekar, Diamond King. Lots of media coverage, lots of outdoor media coverage, lots of things. So I always believe that in this journey of being a multimillionaire, being a you is very much important. I got one comment from Ayush Srivastav that not attending success even after giving my 100%. So let me tell you, Ayush, what is the definition for you as the 100%? How you decided that you are giving the 100%? That is what the most important thing, Ayush, that we need to understand here. There is nothing called perfection. There is nothing called 100%. There is always scope of improvement. There is always something that we need to give as the efforts. Now, if you think so that you are giving your best, let me put your sentence like this: not 100%, but if you are giving your best, let me reframe this thing with like, sir, I am giving my best, I am trying my best, still I am not achieving what I want. How can achieve what I want, right? So in this next journey, in this next few slides, I am definitely going to give you the different answers, right? But before we move ahead, how the session is going, I just want to have your reply on comment section. The Facebook live people are seeing in front of I have screen with me. How the session is going? Are you enjoying the session? And I am 100% sure that in last few minutes you might have got some observations like it is important to have the failure in your life. The reason being that is the best teachers, trust me. Second and the most important thing is I have never seen any biography without any struggle. There are lots of people who are struggling and wear that always thing as a proud, as most important thing. So I want to have your comments that how the session is going. Session kaisa ja raha hai? Are you enjoying the session? If you are enjoying my session, you can just reply amazing, energetic, fantastic, going well, right? So I'm just expecting your reply here. And after having your reply, let's jump directly to the topic, main topic of today, that is called how to be multimillionaire entrepreneur. How we can make sure that our direction should be right, our direction is right, how we can achieve what we want, and how I have achieved what I want. I'm not here to just give you the gnan today. I'm not here to give you the bhashan. I'm just here to share my experience of last 13 years, that how I have helped lakhs of people to achieve what they want, to be multimillionaire, being a youngster, right? So Harsh Singh going superb, right? Wonderful. I wish the people who more people who are listening to me try to give the answer. The next and the most important thing is the question that I always ask myself: which major problem you are solving? See, if you want to become the entrepreneur, as a student, if you are saying this, as a faculty, if you are seeing this, as a management, if you are seeing this, let me ask you this question: which major problem you are solving? That means jitna bada villain, utna bada hero. Can you reconnect something? Can you recognize something? There are lots of movies you might have seen where the bigger villain is, the hero level is much bigger than that. So Harshri, Divyang is watching this, Nituji, Yukti, Shreya ji, wonderful. So which major problem you are solving? Okay. So which major problem you are solving? See, being an entrepreneur or being a faculty, being a teacher, being a student. See, in any category right now you are. जितने बड़े प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करोगे उतने बड़े हीरो बनोगे, as simple as that. Let me give you a few examples. Amazon, they have solved the biggest future concerns, that was saving the time, saving the resources, getting the things according to your comfort. That's how he solved the biggest major problem. The people right now, they don't have time. Swiggy, Zomato, Ola, Uber, you think any of this company, any of this big venture, they have solved some of the biggest problem, and that's how they are the biggest company. जितना बड़ा प्रॉब्लम आप सॉल्व करोगे उतना बड़ा आप कहीं ना कहीं एक बड़ा एंटरप्रेन्योर बनोगे. दैट्स हाउ द सिंपल फाउंडेशन स्टार्ट्स. The faculties, the teachers who are seeing me right now, जितने बड़े आप प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करोगे उतने अच्छे, उतने बड़े आप टीचर बनोगे, उतने अच्छे आप लीडर बनोगे. एवरी गुड ग्रेट टीचर इज अ ग्रेट लीडर. जितने बड़े प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करोगे उतने बड़े आप अच्छे लीडर बनोगे. The people who want to start their company, that's how today's program is, be multi-millionaire entrepreneur. I have seen lots of people, they are solving the small problems, and that is why they are not becoming big. They are solving these small issues, that's why they are not becoming the big. Which major problem you are solving, that is the biggest question you need to ask to yourself. Which major problem you are solving? This is the first question you need to ask. Second, what is entrepreneurship? Your advice can help someone to reach current self, from the current self to desired self. That is how your advice work. Your advice can be a product, your advice can be your service, your advice can be you yourself, your consultation, your thought process, whatever you are giving to someone, you make sure that it should give them a desired self. And that is how the which major problem you are solving, you will get your answer here. Is your solution giving the desired self to your end users, or to your students, or to your customers, to your audience? That is how you need to understand that. Are you able to give the desired self? If your advice are helping someone to achieve the desired self, that means you are solving the major problem. But after giving the advice, after giving your product, after giving your service, if somebody is achieving the average self and he or she needs to go somewhere else for finding the second solution, that means your product, your service is halfway. You are not providing the full package. And that clearly means that you are not solving big problem. If you are solving a big problem, that means your customer, your audience, your users should get the desired self. Most important. Second is finding your sweet spot. In terms of what? Find the people who are willing to pay you high. I always believe in quality, not quantity. The people who are knowing me from the management, they know me well. I am always looking for the quality association, not for the quantity association. And that is how at the age of 30, I was having 450 plus premium corporate clients like Oracle, DCS, Tech Mahindra, L&T, ABB. This year, let me give you the idea. This year we have cracked Reliance Jio 5G project. In the whole world, there are Ambani is having only 40 consultants with them. One of the 40 consultants is Via, and I have one full-time team at Mumbai location of Jio 5G, and we are working with them for the betterment of service, betterment of lots of things. That project should be finest project of this world. So finding your sweet spot and find the people who are willing to pay you high. If you are working for quantity, trust me, whole life you will be getting the average outputs. But if you are having the thought process like an iPhone, like a Apple, which they don't have the dream that मेरा iPhone सबके हाथ में हो. They don't have like dream like that. मेरी product सबके पास हो. Have you ever heard this kind of speech from anyone from the Apple, even from Steve? No, they haven't have the dream like my product should be with everyone. No, the dream and their logic and their goal is very much simple, that few is more. Few is more. Mercedes, if you take the example of BMW, if you take the example of big brand, when they have started, they were not a big brand. But after working with the few already people, with the choosing their audience smartly, they become the big. That's how the importance of choosing this sweet spot plays a very, very big role in your life. You will never see the advertisement of Mercedes near to railway station. You will never see advertisement of iPhone near railway station. You will never see advertisement of BMW near railway station. You will see that ad near airport. The reason behind that is they know that where their people is or where their people are. They know that where they will find their sweet spot. They don't give advertisement in every damn newspaper. They have standard in terms of giving their advertisement. They give frequently advertisement in Times of India and in different quality places. They don't give a newspaper, they don't give the advertisement in every damn newspaper every time. They know where their audience lies. Same with you. If you are thinking to start XYZ project, or if you are working on something, and if you are thinking that everybody is my client, sorry, you are not solving major problem, first of all. And second, once again, you are going to struggle. The reason is very simple. Everybody cannot become your client. Everybody cannot become your client. So make sure that you find your sweet spot and you find the people who are ready to pay for the quality. Most important thing. Third is getting out of your own way. I'm talking about your belief system. See, currently, many people are seeing me. They are enjoying today's session. Most of the time, what happens is they want to start something in their life, but they are not able to start because of their belief system. Sir, my family is not supporting me. How I can achieve something? I am so young. I am so poor. My family financial background is not that much good. Let me tell you something, guys. For getting successful in your life, you don't need money. For getting successful in your life, you don't need money. You need right mindset to get that money. As simple as that. पैसा नहीं चाहिए दोस्त सक्सेसफुल बनने के लिए. वो पैसा मैनेज कहाँ से करोगे ना, वो दिमाग चाहिए. That is how you need to get out of your way if you are don't willing to live your life like a king size. You need to work on your belief system, guys. You need to work on your belief system. You are the biggest reason for your failure. You are not allowing yourself to achieve what you want because you are stopping yourself. You are the biggest obstacle of yourself, your belief system. See, currently I have met lots of entrepreneurs. I had met lots of entrepreneurs. I have been there meeting lots of CEOs and MDs. I have seen most of the people, they have accepted that there is a recession. They have accepted that there is no way to get success in that. They have accepted that the market is very much slow. Because of that, their actions are poor. Because of that, their belief system is saying that this next 1 or 2 year will not get anything. That's how their action is very much average. But at the same streamline, I have visited lots of CEOs and MDs, same parallel line. They say that bad economy is the good news. Bad economy is the good news. I was amazed with their belief system that this is the belief system that I want to participate. When I am talking about before 12, 13 years, 2007 and 8, when there was a huge recession, let me tell you, at that time, before 13 years when I was started my journey, I have not participated myself in the recession. आप लोग पूछोगे उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करना होता है क्या? Yes, we need to participate or not, we need to take a decision. Why? The people you are listening right now that बहुत problem है, बहुत खराब हो गया, there are lots of recession, there is lots of economical challenges, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, I'm not getting what I want, I'm not able to earn what I want. These are the people who are participating in the recession. These are the people who are participating in the economic crisis. 2007 and 8, I have decided I will not participate. This year, 2020, also I have decided I will not participate in this biggest scam of the world called bad economy in terms of mindset. Let me confess you something. In 2020, this might be the month, July, even June, May, June, July, August. This could be the worstest months of so many people's of life. Let me tell you, this June, July was the pickiest years of my life, pickiest months of my life. June, July, I have earned and achieved pickiest of my life. The reason is very simple. I am not participating in this scam called bad economy. This is a scam of your mindset. If your belief system is telling you guys that this is a recession, this is a bad economy, you will not get the job, you will be not able to earn money, you will be not able to get the things what you want, trust me, it is the biggest scam that you are running in your mind. How many people are agreeing on this, that it is always about your belief system? Let's start discussion. I can give you 100 and thousands of example. If in any industry, in automobile industry, in hotel management industry, in universities, education industry, you tell me an industry and I will give you the success story they have achieved this month, July and August. I can give you the success story of any industry because I am working with more than, like very diversified industries I am working with. I myself seeing lots of success stories, but right now social media is indirectly showing you the failure stories, the struggle, the crisis, and that is how your belief system is saying that you will not be able to achieve in this particular time. How many people are agreeing that your belief system plays a very big role in your life? How many people are agreeing in that your belief system plays a very important role in your life? If you are agreeing that, kindly give me a comment that yes sir, mindset, belief system plays a very important role when you want to achieve something in your life. In this 13 years of journey, I have seen lots of struggles, lots of failures, but I have never participated in that failure. The reason being, there is only two things in your life. या तो जीतते हैं या तो सीखते हैं. There is nothing called failure, and that's how I work with this mindset. Right? Divyang said yes, I agree sir. What about other people? Ayush, I do agree. Wonderful. Thank you so much. What about other people? If you are agreeing with this, you can reply, guys. Okay, Yukti is saying I agree. Harsh is saying I agree. Yes, wonderful. The fourth and the most important thing is, guys, this is the most important lines coming in. Don't focus what you need to change. Are you listening me, guys? Don't focus what you need to change. Focus on what new you want to add. I have seen lots of people, entrepreneurs, lots of leaders. They want to change so many things. Guys, don't focus what you need to change. Focus on what you knew you want to add. And that is how 2020 is all about. Don't focus on change. Focus on what new you want to add. And that's how you become biggest, successful success stories. I have helped lots of companies, CEOs, lots of MDs. Let me give you one success story that I met one client before 7.5 years. They were dealing with the trading in terms of engineering instruments, engineering machineries. They were having the team of only 10 people, and they were having around a turnover of 10, 12 lakh rupees at that time before 7.5 years. When I met that particular MD of that company, he told me, Bhavin, I want to change so many things. I want to change lots of things in this industry so I can become the industry leader. They have hired me as the mentor, as the consultant at that time before 7.5 years. I answered them back. Please listen this answer very much carefully. I answered them that, sir, why you want to change so many things? Instead, let's start adding new things, and it will become the innovation. It will become the new pattern of working. It will become the new way of dealing with services. And that line has inspired, I think so, them very much. Right now they are having team member of more than 140 people, and they are having 80 CR turnover. In 7.5 years, I have helped them. Still they are my clients, still we are working with them, and I have achieved them 80 CR turnover. In this next few years, we are crossing 200 CR turnover. And that's how we are working with them with this so much you can say a right alignment, that is called adding the new things. And that is most important. Push versus pull, it is a very much important concept when you are dealing, being a commerce student, being a management student. Push versus pull is a very important concept. You want to start something as a venture, or as a business, or as anything like a small startup or anything. There is a two concept is very much important that you need to understand. That's called push versus pull. There are lots of entrepreneurs who are developing the product or a concept that is a pushable products. Like they always need to push their customers, sir le lo, sir kharid lo, sir le lo, sir. There are lots of push campaigns they need to do. There are lots of calls they need to do. There are lots of email marketing they need to do. That's called a kind of product which is a push product. But I always believe that you develop such kind of product, you develop such kind of thing that people should come to you to get the solution. That is how the pull strategy works in this business. The fifth one is setting up the proper process and system. I have seen lots of business, they are struggling. Lots of big businesses, they are not getting the proper results just because they don't have the proper process and system. I am talking about the automation. When you are thinking to do something, please make sure that manually you do the less things. It can be the email automation, it can be the SMS automation, it can be the function automation which should work with the application or anything. You make sure that when you are working something, you think that how we can automate that. And that is how the planning plays a very important role. Plan the planning, that plays a very important role. लोग बोलते हैं प्लानिंग को भी प्लान करना पड़ता है. Yes dear, you need to plan the planning also, is most important thing. And when you want to start something as a business, as a venture, you make sure that if you want somebody to invest in your idea, अगर आप फंड के लिए सर्च कर रहे हो, if you're looking for the investors, I know that I have worked with lots of investors so many years. They have one thing very clearly in their mind, that is your idea scalable to the global level? That is most important thing. So when you are planning something, you make sure that your idea should be a scalable in terms of a global scale, and it should have the maximum possibility to automate the things. बहुत important है, बहुत important है, right? So if you want to, premium clients, what they're looking for, they are looking for the uniqueness. Premium client, what they're looking for uniqueness, that how you present what you present. Is there any proven stories and proven results, success stories or case studies that you are having? They are looking for value, not price. Price means आपने एक बार pay किया, you have paid once and it's gone. Value means still that product is long lasting, still that product is helping you, still that product is giving you the amazing in terms of support, whatever the objective you were having by purchasing that product or service. The value is how long it can help you to sustain your desired result, to sustain your desired level. That is what the value is most important. And the customized solution, wo zamana gaya where we were focusing on the ready-made products. Now today the world is all about customized solution. If you are giving someone a customized solution, definitely you will be expecting, or you should expect the good numbers as a customer with you, good quality numbers. That's what I'm talking, right? And second, and the most important thing is, after that, it's called create multiple income streams. Right now, the people who are struggling more, the people who are facing lots of issues, those people who are having only one income stream. There is a lots of thing that there is a name called passive income, or you can say there are different names of this system called a multiple income stream, where if you are focusing on only one income stream, then sorry, the struggle chances are much higher. So create multiple income streams where you can have this security in your life as an entrepreneur or as a teacher, as a faculty, anything. Create a multiple income streams. As I always shared, it's always about you. It's always about you. I tried my best to give that 7 parameters that is most important if you want to be the multi-millionaire. Let me give you the revision of it once again. So the most important thing is, if you want to grow in terms of your life, in terms of money, in terms of name, fame, the most important thing is you need to solve the big and major problem. That's how you become the bigger hero or heroine, you can say, right? Second is finding a sweet spot when you find the people who can pay you high. The third is your belief system. You need to work on a belief system. The fourth one is you don't need to change anything, but you try to focus on adding the new things. That is what the most important. And setting up the proper process, having the proper process of your working style is most important thing. You might have seen many lazy people. They are in their comfort zone. They don't have the proper process and system. These are the reasons that why they are struggling, because they are in the comfort zone. Comfort zone of what? I am doing perfectly fine. I know how my work should be, and I know this is the only way to achieve what I want. And the people who are not having the proper process and system, they will always struggle. As simple as that. Planning. In that I told you, investor, if you're looking for, they are looking for the idea which can be scalable to the global level, which can be automated well. That's how the future is all about. And premium clients, what they're looking for, the premium clients they're looking for, if you want to be a multi-millionaire entrepreneur, your client should be like this. What they're looking for is uniqueness, success stories, your results. They're looking for your value. They're looking for the customized solution. And multi-millionaire entrepreneur, they always have the multiple income streams. They're never dependent on only one thing, and that is the biggest secret of this lots of successful people. So it's about you. For getting success, you need to have the certainty in your mind. What do you mean by certainty? Let me give you an example. If some salesperson is if you are visiting some mobile showroom, or you can say mobile shop, let's suppose you are going there for purchasing one mobile, and if you are discussing about that mobile with that particular salesperson, and you ask this question, okay, so how's the feedback of this mobile? How does it How was the feedback of this mobile? The customer who already purchased it after a few months, how was the feedback? What was the ratio that they need to put this mobile in the service center? And you have asked a few detailed questions to the salesperson, and the salesperson replied like this: yes, this mobile is doing good, I think so. And yes, we have received complaints, but it's okay. I make sure that it won't happen the same in your case. This mobile is good. Now you guys give me the answer. How many people are ready to purchase this mobile? Will you purchase this mobile? Will you purchase this mobile if the salesperson is guiding you like this? Will you purchase that mobile if salesperson is dealing with you in terms of giving the answers like this? Do you see confidence in terms of a salesperson speech? Do you see the certainty? What do you mean by certainty? Certainty means the surety that yes, this is the best mobile, and definitely this will be the best gift for you. When there is no certainty, when there is no surety, when there is a no surety, when there is a no certainty, trust me guys, when there is a no certainty in your life also, you will not achieve what you want. Reason being, there is no certainty. The multimillionaire mindset people, I'm not talking about being a multimillionaire entrepreneur in terms of money, guys. Once again, I'm repeating, I'm talking about being a multimillionaire in terms of mindset. If you want to develop the multimillionaire mindset, you need to understand that the people who are multimillionaire or multi-billionaire, they have the certainty in themselves. Right? They have the certainty, confidence. Second is focus. The first is certainty, second is focus. They are so much focused, guys. They are so much focused. They have distractions, but they know that how to deal with them. They have lots of problems coming in. They have lots of bad days coming in, but they know that how to keep focusing. How to keep that focus. Most important. If you've seen the movie called Yuri, in that movie, you might have heard the role that Vicky Kaushal has played. He told her, I'll make sure that everybody will come safe to India, right? After having that, that attack, surgical strike, you can say. I'll make sure, and I'm making sure that I will bring back every individual alive. And that was this certainty about the mission that I have seen in this particular movie. That's what the beauty about this certainty and the focus. Focus, most important. Next is consistency. You are certain, you are focused, but if you are not consistent, still also you will struggle a lot. You are consistent means you are so confident, you have great belief system. You are focused, but you are not consistently certain, you are not consistently focused, then also you will struggle a lot, because consistency can give you amazing results. If you are consistent in terms of waking up early, you can have the more time in your life than average people is having. If you have the great habit, consistently called the book reading habit, you will have the great knowledge that average people can have comparatively. Consistency can give you the amazing results, guys. If you have seen the movie called The Pursuit of Happiness, if you ask me, sir, can you suggest the best movie of your life that I have seen? Yes, the movie called The Pursuit of Happiness. This is the movie which is very near to my heart. That's called Will Smith's movie called The Pursuit of Happiness. This movie, if you have seen this movie, the amazing story of one person, that how he had struggled a lot and then how he became the billionaire. This movie is about one guy who was dealing with the medical equipments. He was selling it out, and then he has chosen to go in the stock market, and how he has transformed. His wife left him because of the lots of miscommunication and the lots of struggles, that lots of continuously wrong commitments. Next is he need to leave his rented home. He needs to stay at the washroom or toilet of the railway stations. There are lots of struggle stories that this movie can show you. But what I have seen one thing consistently, that he was so much consistent on giving the best efforts. He was so much consistent on in terms of giving the best whatever he could be. He was so much consistent on giving the, you can say, the best efforts. That's how the Pursuit of Happiness movies comes into the picture. If you have not seen this movie, this is the masterpiece, guys. The Will Smith, The Pursuit of Happiness. I would definitely suggest you to go today and watch this movie. The next is Manji. This is also the biggest example of consistency. 23 years, guys, consistently. 23 years he put his efforts. 23 years. And that shows that consistency can, can break the mountain. Then definitely achieving in our life consistent with the consistent effort is very much easy than this. Transformation, certainty, focus, consistency can give you the transformation in your life. And the biggest example of is Mr. Akshay Kumar. He's a multi-billionaire, you can say, and the biggest personality that I admire. See, people might be having the different opinion for the same, but let take the judgment from one particular angle, that is called the consistency that this guy is having. Consistency in terms of waking up early, consistency in terms of having the control over food, nutrition, consistency over having the perfect command over the fitness. After spending this many years in this industry, he is so young, so fit, so healthy, and the inspiration to many. That has been achieved just because of certainty, focus, and consistency. And that shows that consistency can give you the amazing results in your life. I have watched Manji. I don't have enough words to describe the performance. It's mind blowing. Yes, Shreyaji, very true. Very true. So, if you want to achieve something in your life, if you want to become the multi-millionaire individual, you need to focus on this four, and the most important thing called certainty, focus, consistency, and transformation. If you are certain that you want to do this, if you are focused and if you are consistent in terms of putting the best efforts, definitely you will be getting the transformation. So certainty, focus, consistency, and transformation, this can give you the amazing life, guys, that you can never imagine. Trust me, this can give you the amazing life. Certainty, focus, consistency, and transformation, right? And I'm sure the people who are seeing this particular program, the people who will see this program in the future also, after going through this 45 or 50 minutes with me, I want that you sit with yourself and you have the actual realization with yourself. And when you have the actual self evaluation and realization, you start redefining your life. Because I want that from today's program, if you got that 1% spark also to redefine your thought process, to redefine your belief system, to redefine your purpose, to redefine your goal, to redefine your life, trust me, this program is the most successful program of my life, because I help you people to redefine your life. I help you people to deep down to yourself, to do the self evaluation and to get and to achieve what you want. That's how I do from lots of years, from so many years. That's how I am possible training solutions and feature in India's top 10 company. And lots of corporate programs we do, lots of programs we do with the students, where the students wants to start their own company, the student wants to improve their public speaking skills, communication skills, if they want to work on the English language. We help people, we help students, we help lots of individuals to improve in terms of the skills. It can be business skill, leadership skill, communication skill, English language. I have a team of 60 plus people. We have three big offices in Gujarat, that's called Baroda, Surat, and Ahmedabad. And currently, we are working in 80 plus countries. Currently, we are working with 450 plus big corporate clients, big institutions, big universities working with us for the different particular projects. Yes, you can find me on a Google. You can just search us on Facebook. You are on Facebook Live. You can just type The Bhavin Shah and you will find my page there. I hope so that today you like the program, right? And if you need any help, this is my team number 9510036189. If you need any help, guys, please make sure that you feel free to reach to us. Reason being, I want to join with the people who really want to transform their lives, because if you will transform, I am 100% sure that your family will transform, your society will transform, and at the end of the day, this country and this world will be transformed like anything, right? So it's never a one-man show. If you really want to transform yourself, please make sure that you being more certain, you become more focused, you become more consistent, and you become more transformative. That's what I want to conclude from today's session, right? So I'm 100% sure that I give them lots of idea how you can become the multimillionaire entrepreneur, multimillionaire mindset person, and a good human being who wants to achieve something in the life, right? Thank you so much, Harsh, for the kind word. And last but not the least, the people who are watching me online on Facebook, please make sure that at the last time you comment something. How was the today's program? It was amazing, fantastic, superb. How was today's program, guys? If you want to share here something, fatafat, you can comment here. How did you like today's program, guys? Have you enjoyed today's program? If you want to comment something, yeah, fatafat, fast. Yukti ji, thank you, sir. Harsh, thank you. Monali ji, I like your session very much. It's amazing. Thank you so much, Monali ji. Request everybody to connect me on Facebook. So, I can provide you the help, whatever you have. You have few questions. Also, you can put your questions there on my Facebook Messenger. So I can help you for the same. Superb. Thank you so much, everybody, for having the wonderful comment and reply. And last but not the least, हो रही है पीर पर्वत पिघलनी चाहिए, इस हिमालय से कोई गंगा निकलनी चाहिए, सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना मेरा मकसद नहीं, मेरी कोशिश है कि सूरत बदलनी चाहिए, मेरे सीने में नहीं तो तेरे सीने में सही, हो कहीं भी आग, बस ये आग जलनी चाहिए, राइट? तो थैंक यू सो मच गाइस for having me here. Thank you so much once again, Parul University, for inviting me, स्पेशली फैकल्टी ऑफ कॉमर्स अजय जी, मेरे बहुत अच्छे मित्र एंड मेरे कह सकते बहुत पुराने मित्र, बहुत समय से हम जानते हैं, एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट हैं, हमेशा मुझे याद करने के लिए थैंक यू सो मच, दैट ऑलवेज प्रोवाइडिंग विद अमेजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी. श्रेया जी, thank you so much for coordinating this event very well. And thank you so much, all the people.
Thank you so much, sir. It was indeed an enlightening session. I have a new flow of energy flowing in my body, and I think it's the same with everyone. Actually, we are going a little bit, late on online, so you're getting the comments a little bit late. Yes, we'll get over very soon. And reading the comments, I can see that all of them are very, very, very happy and content. Thank you so much for sparing your valuable time this morning, and it was a wonderful session.
Thank you.
We're honored to have you here.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. See you very soon, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.